PhilharMagic Orchestra.
Yeah.
What color is the sky? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You tell me that it's red. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. Where should I put my shoes? Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor. You say put them on my hand. Ay, mi amor, ay, mi amor.
So what is the show? This is a show called?
Mickey's PhilharMagic, I think.
Sorry.
Phil.
Is that magic show?
No, it's a
Just a regular show?
show, music, like a music show.
Ah, okay, musical style.
Yes.
Okay. Yep. So we are watching. We are going to watch the show.
Everyone, we ask that you please refrain from eating, drinking, or using flash photography during today's performance. All right, put on your opera glasses because it's time to present Maestro Mickey Mouse and the PhilharMagic Orchestra.
That's my name in
The orchestra's missing. It's showtime.
Showtime? Well, I gotta open the curtains. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey. Oh my gosh. Donald, wake up! It's showtime!
I'm tired.
Don't forget the orchestra! And don't touch my hat!
I'm stretching.
I'll show you those ducks.
Bonjour! It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, chérie, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff. It's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes. Sing you off to sleep as you digest.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be where the people are. I want to see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet. When's it my turn? Wouldn't I love to explore that shore above? Watch and you'll see. Someday I'll be part of be the main event like no king was before. I'm brushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my roar.
Thus far, rather an inspiring thing.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm since I
Not yet. You make me, it is just un poco crazy. The sense that you're not making
the liberties you're taking leaves my guts are shaking. You're just
show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, or where to go, or say we're only dreaming. So you're real food. Did you see the back?
Hello, I sure hope you like the show, everybody. Oh, and on your way out, please put your...
Thank you for joining us today at Fantasyland Concert Hall. Please gather all of your belongings and exit to the right-hand side, making sure to put those opera glasses in the bins provided at the exit. Once again, friends, your exit is going to be to the right, making sure to put those opera glasses in the bins provided at the exit. Thank you, and as Vivi would say, have a...
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.